so glad to be back and making another video for you guys. The first video for you guys for this year. I missed you so much. Thank you for giving me this over a month long break. And it was really awesome to spend time with family and friends and just really enjoy and cherish the people that are really important to me. You guys are also really important to me, so I'm really happy that I'm back and I get to see you guys. So thank you for your support and love and encouragement as always. You guys are awesome. Oh, by the way though, if you are new here and it's the first time you're stumbling upon one of my videos, I welcome you. Thank you for just stopping by. I really appreciate it. My name is Jane, also known as Breath of Beauty here on this channel, so I hope you guys can enjoy whatever you find on my channel and we can become good beauty friends. Alright, so just to kick off the first video of the year, I came across something at Target the other day, and it's the magnetic lashes. I know you guys probably have seen these talked about a ton and a lot of people trying them out and see if they actually work. So I saw this on sale actually at Target the other day, and it's the Eylure Luxe. It's kind of covered up by the clearance tag, but I'm guessing it's the Eylure Luxe Mink Effect lashes, just like the ones that I am obsessed with. Like Eylure Luxe Mink Effect lashes are my favorite lashes. They have been for the past year, and these are in the style of Baroque. And I actually have like the regular adhesive or the regular false lash form of Baroque right here, and I guess just kind of comparing them side by side, they do look a little bit similar, but I feel like this magnetic lash version has like way more crisscrossing going on of the lash strands than like this one. So I'm really curious to see how it works. I already know I really like Baroque, so we'll see if we like the magnetic Baroque. Okay, so I just opened this lash box, and actually on the clearance tag it says that it was originally 15 bucks, but I got it on sale for $10.48, which I'm not mad about it. You open it up, you kind of get this looking thing over here. It's different from normal lashes in the sense that you get an actual like plastic container with it that's kind of holding your lashes. I'm guessing that it's because these lashes are supposed to be reusable, since you know you're not really putting glue on it, it's just magnetic, so they're reusable, and hence they give you a container to store them just to keep them safe, and I'm sure to keep their shape as well. The box also gives you this little applicator, you know, it's pretty standard. And then on the box it says that it's easy to apply and no glue needed right there, so hopefully that holds true. Let's just see how I can apply it. Currently I just have like a little bit of eye makeup on. I have my mascara on, so hopefully these lashes will work well with this situation. Right now it's actually adhered on to this little container by tiny little magnets right here, so you can just like clip it off and you can see those two little magnets. Well, it's holding the lash onto the container with those magnets. So I'm gonna try with my right eye to apply this magnetic lash. I'm a little nervous because I've never used this before. So I think one of the lashes, like whichever lash has the magnets on the top of the band or the front side of the band, goes under your eye, and the other one goes on top. So they're basically sandwiching your natural lashes. I don't know what the strategy is. Maybe I just put one down there and kind of position it where I want it to be. Put this on the bottom. This doesn't look right. Hold up. Okay, so I've tried for maybe around 5 minutes, and I get that there's like a beginner's learning curve or whatever, but this is the best I could come up with this magnetic pair of lashes. I don't know. This is definitely not the effect that the actual like normal Baroque pair of lashes give you. This is way more dramatic, especially because you're layering two different lash bands together to, you know, sandwich your natural lashes between the magnetic lashes. It's quite dramatic, and I'm sure it would look maybe decent with maybe a more dramatic look, but I have to say it's not comfortable. I don't know what is going on. It just feels really heavy. You can feel the little bit of tug that is being placed on your lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to put the other left eye on. Basically, the strategy I've been using is I put the upper lash just on top of my lashes like this, and I just position it where I want to see it clamp down. Around here is probably good, and it's a little tricky to do this. Then I take the lower lash and then I clip underneath my lash, and you kind of feel the click of the magnet. There you go, and then like so. I guess the overall effect is not bad. It's definitely more dramatic, and I don't know why this lash in particular curls so darn much. Because it curls, it's like hitting my lid, and maybe that's an Asian lid problem. I don't know. I would give this product maybe like a 6 out of 10. If it's gonna use the same style name as, you know, their existing lash, then I feel like they should have tried to keep it a little more consistent with what the actual pair of lashes look like in the style Baroque before they came out with this magnetic version. I don't know if I would ever wear this. I probably would if I were doing like a really dramatic smoky eye or something. I might give it a go, but otherwise, this isn't something that I would reach for, I don't think. They're not as easy as just wearing regular lashes for me because I'm just used to wearing false lashes. I'm glad I tried it out because I was really curious about the magnetic lash thing. So if I was gonna try it out, I was gonna try one out made by Eylure. Yeah, that's my quick thoughts on this, and I don't know, what do you guys think? Have you guys tried magnetic lashes? Do you like it? If so, which brand do you recommend? And is there like an easier application method? I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today for this quick little fun video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm so happy to be back and making videos for you guys. I'm so excited for this coming year and all the projects that we'll do together and all the videos that I'll film for you. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys so much, and until next video, make sure that you're always kind to yourselves and that you remember how beautiful and amazing and treasured and precious you are. With that said, I'll see you guys next time, and love you guys. Bye! Mwah.